Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So if you're new, thank you so much, and if you're returning, I appreciate you so much. So today we are going to be learning about eyeshadow application, and trust me, if you've been struggling with eyeshadow, this is the video for you. After this, you won't be looking for any other video. So today we are going to go into the theory of the concept of threes and twos. So threes and two, it's basically the same thing, but I wanted to divide it in for easier explanation. Okay, so basically this is how it goes. Okay, you get the eyelid, a client or yours, you get the eyelid, then divide it into three parts. That's the rule of three, or the concept of three. You divide it into three parts. That is the inner part, the middle part, and the outer part. I have a mirror here that I'm looking into so that I can explain better. So the inner part has the lightest color. The outer part has the darkest color. Now the middle part is where these two colors meet. Okay, so the middle part is where you blend the white, the light, and the dark together. But to blend those two, you have to use two separate colors that are kind of close to the two that you've put. So say this pink, this is a peachy kind of look, and this is a dark purple. So in between here, I used a shimmer that is brownish pinkish, and then the other is purplish brownish. You get my point? So you choose colors that are close to the colors that you chose that can blend those two colors. And you blend them in the middle. That is where the third part is. So light, dark, the middle is the blending. Okay? So now let's go into the rule of two. If the rule of three is being difficult, let's go into the rule of two. So with the concept of two, you divide the eye into two. Okay, you divide the eye into two. This is the outer and this is the inner. So you put your light color in the inner part of the eye, and you put your dark color at the outer part of the eye, right? So in the middle here where they meet is where you blend. So you're going to have to blend these two so that they don't contrast so much, because light and dark, that is two different things going on. So you have to choose colors that are going to blend them in the middle. Okay, that line where the two meet is where you're going to blend. You have to choose a color that is closer to the darkest and the color that is closer to the lightest that can blend the two. And then you blend them. And that's it. That's the concept of twos and threes. That's really it. There is no big science about it or anything. So in this video, this has been the theory part. So in the next video on Wednesday, that's going to be the practical part where I'm going to be the canvas and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay? See you then and stay blessed. God bless you. Mwah.